Welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity and nostalgia with a special feature on the best LEGO Star Wars trench run available in the market. Get ready to embark on an adventure through the stars as we explore this captivating product. Now, before we delve into the details, let's set the stage. Imagine yourself in the heart of the Star Wars universe, amidst the epic battle between the Rebel Alliance and the Galactic Empire. The tension is palpable as X-Wing starfighters zip through the narrow confines of the iconic Death Star trench, dodging enemy fire and racing against time to deliver the decisive blow. And now, with the TG Blocks Star Trench 3D Wars Run Wall Art Craft Kit, you can bring this legendary scene to life in your own home or office. This micro-brick-framed masterpiece is not just a mere building set, it's a work of art, meticulously designed to capture every detail of the thrilling trench run. Crafted with precision and care, each micro-sized brick in this kit contributes to the overall grandeur of the final piece. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a Star Wars aficionado, assembling this masterpiece is sure to provide hours of immersive entertainment and satisfaction. But what sets this product apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's more than just a decorative piece. Thanks to its versatile design, you can proudly display it on your wall or elegantly place it on your desk, instantly elevating the ambiance of any space. Now, here's where things get exciting. We want to hear from you, our viewers. Are you ready to embark on this adventure through the stars? Do you have fond memories of watching the iconic trench run scene unfold on the silver screen? Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate LEGO Star Wars trench run experience awaits. With its exceptional craftsmanship, versatility, and undeniable charm, the TG Blocks Star Trench 3D Wars Run Wall Art Craft Kit is a must-have for fans of all ages. So, what are you waiting for?
Dive into the action and unleash your creativity today. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the stars.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting product reviews and creative inspiration.
Until next time, may the Force be with you.